Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Ohuhu markers. Right, so I got the full 72 set of markers. Wow, oh my god. They look amazing. And I also got the skin tone set, which is right here. Now I decided to buy these because my chameleon markers, well, the nibs on those break easily, so I thought I'd try these ones out. So let's test these out. Right, so I've got a piece of paper here, and what I'm going to do is just swatch all of the colours, and then after we'll make a drawing and colour it in. Okay, so as you can see, the Ohuhu markers come in a very nice barrel. I think it's a barrel. And on one side it has a brush tip, and on the other side it has a chisel nib. You'll also see that I didn't end up swatching all of the colours because there was so many of them, but I will make sure to add a colour chart on screen so you can see what they look like. Okay, so the sketch is done and now it's time to start inking. So to ink this, I'm using my Staedtler 0.3 liner. Okay, so now we've finished the inking, let's colour with the markers. Okay, so I'm not sponsored or anything to say this, but I thought I'd talk a little bit about the brand whilst I colour in here. Right, so I've always wondered what the name Ohuhu meant. Well, it says that the name is inspired by the colourful Hawaiian island Oahu or Aua?
Oahu.
I'm really bad at pronouncing things, so don't come at me in the comments. With its bright blue skies, rainforests and kaleidoscope flowers. It also says that their art markers come in more colours than any other set in the world. Okay, so the great thing about these markers are that they are affordable, so you're getting more colours for less money. However, it does state that even though the art supplies are affordable, they don't cut corners on quality, so they promise that we'll never think, oh, this feels cheap. And from holding the barrel, I can confirm that it doesn't. Okay, so my first impressions are good. I really like the design of them and it fits nicely in your hand. I would say that it's important to swatch the colour before some of the top, because some of the tops don't match the colour when the marker is laid down on paper. The brush nib is so smooth and soft, and it lays down the colour lovely and very nicely. So the full set of Ohuhu markers are 120, but I opted for the 72 colour set and the skin tone one because they were on offer. Okay, so with the Ohuhu markers, you can't buy them individually, and they also don't have refills. So this means that once the marker runs out, you'll have to buy another set. So this could be pretty expensive, but I do believe that they last a long time. Well, I hope they do anyway. I think what I'm going to do is probably make a video in the future, maybe after a month or two of using them, and I'll make a in-depth review and probably also compare them to my previous markers, so the chameleon ones, just to see which one is better. And yeah. Let me know in the comments section below if you have used these markers before and what you think of them. I'd love to hear your opinion. So overall, I would say that these are great markers to start out with if you're looking into getting markers, because they're affordable while still meeting the great quality. Okay, so in other news, it's September now, which means Inktober is coming up soon. Will anybody be taking part this year? Just leave a comment below if you are. I think I might be, possibly, maybe. I'm still thinking about it. It's such a big challenge to commit to. I think I've only ever completed it twice. The first time I ever started was 2017. So we'll see if we can do like the third year of completing it. I'll try. If anyone would like to see what I create this year for Inktober, you can follow my Instagram at @LittleEillustrations. I'm mostly active on there, so if you'd like to know what art I'm working on, or making, or just what I'm getting up to, there would be the best place. Actually, I forgot to mention about my sketchbook. So as you can see here, I'm using a red moleskin sketchbook. However, this is a new one. So as you know, the one I received was damaged in the bottom corner. So I ended up emailing Moleskine explaining what happened, and they were absolutely brilliant in their response, and they helped me out and sent a replacement sketchbook free of charge. So big shout out to Moleskine. Thank you. And with that, I'm gonna say that's it for this week's video. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like, comment below what you think, and subscribe for more. And what's my outro again? I forgot it. Oh wait, I think I can remember. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.